Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video, we have a fun one, and again, another highly requested one, especially for the month of February. I've decided to post this one, even though it really goes with everything. It can go with Valentine's Day, it can go with birthdays, anniversaries, things like that. This one's kind of like a universal one, but I'm posting it today because I want to give you guys some time if you are making something for someone for Valentine's Day and you want to pull a gift idea from this video, you have time to. So that's why I'm posting it in February. But with that being said, today's video is 50 gifts for your boyfriend / girlfriend crochet ideas. So I know that one's a lengthy title, but within this video, I have done categories, and I was a little iffy about doing categories simply because I'm like, I don't know. Okay, I have gifts for girlfriends, gifts for boyfriends, kind of like gender neutral gifts, but I wanted to separate it into categories of like gift for your boyfriend, gift for your girlfriend, and then kind of like a gender neutral couple gift / gender neutral kind of gift, which I did that for the sake of organization. That's what I did, but I don't want it to come across incorrectly. I simply did it because I can already hear the comments of people saying, I wish there were more ideas for my boyfriend, I wish there were more ideas for my girlfriend, and I just want to like make sure I'm categorizing it so you and I can see how many gifts per boyfriend, girlfriend like that are here. Also, obviously, if there's a category, if there's a gift in the category like boyfriend gift and you want to make it for your girlfriend, do that. Nothing is stopping you. I'm all for it. I'm just doing it because you guys keep telling me I'm not picking enough masculine gift ideas, and I'm sorry, okay? I think it's just because, again, like I said, I have a 50 men's like Father's Day men's crochet gift video already, and that one was a struggle because in my mind, anything you make, you can make for a man. But in a lot of your guys' minds, it has to have the title man, or like it has to be black or blue in order for it to be a men's gift item. So that's why I'm separating it. Okay, so I kind of put the more mask presenting gifts, or gifts I have reasoning for, which I'll explain, in boyfriend, and then in girlfriend, it's more like feminine presenting kind of presents. And then for the both, I have couples and couple gifts, and then like just gender neutral, could be for either kind of gifts. But again, pull from whichever category you want to pull from, okay? It's 2024. Do what you want. Also, is it 24? Yeah, it is 2024. 2024. Do whatever you want, okay? Like every other video, everything I say will be listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. And again, I have a crocheted flower as my little pointing stick today, because it's just sitting and collecting dust. And this is a good gift idea, by the way. You can crochet a flower. I've done this as a gift many times, and it's a hit every single time. So let's go ahead and jump into the boyfriend category, since this is my more requested category. All right, so for boyfriends, I've got this really cute like leafy bracelet. Hear me out, okay? I'm kind of imagining like, also I'm definitely thinking of every man I've ever talked to ever in my past relationships, and I'm like, would they like that? Yeah, they would. And like that's kind of how I did this. So don't come for me if some of these are weird, okay? This like leafy viney bracelet is super cute for your boyfriend who LARPs, goes to Ren fairs or like things like that, okay, is a whimsical boy, okay? He likes Lord of the Rings. He dresses up as a knight on his free time. That's a cute gift. You can also make a mushroom kind of like vape or lighter holder or chapstick holder if your boyfriend doesn't vape or do that stuff. You can, speaking of chapstick holder, make this chapstick holder for your boyfriend because you know his lips are always chapped, okay? They're always chapped. Always. Never fails. So make this for your boyfriend and keep it stocked with chapstick so that you have to kiss him, he might as well have soft, luscious lips, okay? I mean, you're doing it. Why can't he? So that one's there for that. I put this Adventure Time pattern bundle in here as for one, a good pattern, but also as like a little reminder of, if you don't know what to make someone, think of their favorite show, think of their favorite thing they watch all the time or talk about, and make something based on that. Okay, so not necessarily Adventure Time, but this is a good one too. And in my experience, Adventure Time is a hit. So you can also make some like unique tissue box holders. So for those like very egocentric boys who just moved in their apartment and they kind of like unique stuff in their apartment or whatever, girl, this is a DIY video. Make a beetle tissue holder, and there's other tissue holders I have within this category, so stay tuned. But beetle one's fun for like cute car vibes, hippie vibes, you know? Now this one is specifically because of that trend that went around of, if I turned into a worm, would you still carry me around and take me on dates and things like that? Make your boyfriend a worm, cowboy hat, optional. Now this one is a full-blown stereotype, okay? In my mind, boys like Star Wars. Oh, I just hit the mic. Boys like Star Wars. Star Wars can be crocheted. Boom, done. C2C, crochet blanket. Never seen Star Wars, probably never will. I find it very boring, but men kind of love it for some reason. So make Star Wars inspired stuff. And then we have the Lego epidemic. The Legos have been taking over the boys, and it is what it is. So you can make a Lego blanket if you want. If you don't really want to commit that much into it, you could make a Lego, just like a Lego block for like decor, cute. Or if you want it to be functional, you could make a Lego block that's also a tissue box cover. Boom, done. Now, another show that's popular among the men is Rick and Morty, for some godforsaken reason, and you can make Pickle Rick. There you go. You can also make this clown keychain for him if he's acting like a clown and you need to remind him to stop acting like a clown. You can make him a clown keychain. You can also make a Pikachu keychain because Pokemon is popular with the men. And you can also make this little glasses holder if your boyfriend wears glasses. I think this one's cute. It's cute, little thoughtful, like, you know, especially if they're a gamer and they're like gonna take their glasses off or something or whatever. Cute little stand, or to go to sleep. Super cute, okay? I like that one. Now, if you're dating a stoner or someone who smokes cigarettes, you can make a cute little lighter keychain holder. And this one's fun for the boys that are writers or are in tune with their emotions and journal, whether that's for attention or themselves. You can make this cute little pen holder strap thingy for their journal. You can also make this Pokeball keychain if they're a Pokemon head. You can also, if they fish, this one's a fun one. I recently followed this, not follow, but I don't follow couple accounts, but I saw this couple account that's like all about fishing, and it's kind of cute. They're on a boat and like they tease each other and like push each other in the lake whenever they're pissed off at each other. It's kind of cute, but I was thinking for her specifically, if she crocheted, you can crochet him a fish keychain. So if your boyfriend fishes, this one's cute. Fish keychain, or this fish keychain, which is a little more realistic fishy. And did I just say fishy? Stop. Okay, anyway, if you don't want to crochet him a fish keychain, you can crochet a cute little like beanie hat for his key. Also a cute way to be like, hey, here's a key to my place. If you want to do that whole cute little like step in a relationship, you can do it with a crocheted key. Also make a little can cozy if he's frequently drinking from a can. And I liked this 8-ball hat. This one is kind of cute for the boys who are like, think carabiner on cargo pant loop. Think used to skateboard in high school, but now he has a job, so he can't as often. Think those stupid beanies that are like rolled up, more rolled up on your head than not rolled up, so why are you even wearing it? That's what this 8-ball hat reminds me of. So make something like that, or make a little dice cube for his house, his apartment, his room, whatever, or this little infinity cube. Boys love shit like this. Something he can play with on his own and he can leave you alone. Perfect. And then you can also make this cute little checkered set if you enjoy spending time with him and you want to play a game with him. It's cute, and you can take it with you. So like if he's a camper or a van lifer, he can take it with him, and it folds up really cute. So those are all the boyfriend ideas I have for you. Let's jump into the girlfriend ideas. So if also, this is really funny because I like, spoiler alert, I like boys and girls, okay? So this one was kind of fun to do because I'm like, if I had a boyfriend, this is what I'd make. If I had a girlfriend, this is what I'd make. You know what I mean? So, for the girls, if you have a girlfriend, spoil her, okay? She deserves it. So, let's make our girlfriends a cake jewelry box holder. So, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go find a jewelry box, either thrifted or on Amazon. And then you're going to pull up a cake tissue box cover or a cake jewelry box cover tutorial, or click the one in the description, and you're gonna crochet around the jewelry box. So it not only does it look like a really cute cake, it's functional and holds all her cute jewelry. If your girlfriend is very like whimsical, running around in the forest, fairy, make her this cute little dainty like flower crown. You can also make a little photo card. Put a picture of you, put a picture of you and her. Cute, okay? She'd love this. You can also make this cute little like bear ear attachment for headphones. If she's frequently wearing headphones or she's a gamer, that's really cute. You can also make this headphone cover with like the bunny ears and the ribbons. If your girl is fiending over the CROCHET aesthetic going on right now and she can't stop sending you CROCHET TikToks and stuff, make these for her. It's adorable. Also crochet rose. Here's an example. I've done this one. Crochet either a rose or multiple roses and make a little bouquet for her. Okay, the flowers that never die. You can also, if she's a reader and a frequent tea drinker, make her a little tea bag bookmark. Adorable. And then if your girlfriend's a mushroom girl, do a little mushroom garland to hang in her room. I love it. I have one. You can't see it, but it's above my head. But yeah, definitely adorable. Make it. All right, that's all I have for girlfriend. Let's jump into the both category. So, couple gender neutral gifts aren't really giving mask, aren't really giving femme. So, let's jump in. These are AirTag cases. You can make any kinds. I don't have an AirTag, but a lot of people do. So, make an AirTag case. Adorable. Make a little t-shirt for the key. Cute. Make a little star keychain, again for keyring. Make a emotional support pickle. Now, this one I have a little story behind. These emotional support pickles are being sold on TikTok Shop, Shein, stuff like that. I almost cursed. Stuff like that. Do not buy crocheted items from TikTok Shop, things like that, Amazon, for like super cheap, okay, like $2 crochet item, because somewhere crochet, okay, there is no crochet machine, so somewhere someone somewhere on the world is going to be crocheting this emotional support pickle by hand, and if you're a crocheter, you know how long shit takes, and they're not going to get compensated fairly if it's being sold for like $2. So keep that in your little noggin when you come across that ad that I'm seeing everywhere, and go crochet your own pickle, okay? Thank you. Or start selling them, okay? Or something. I don't know. Just get people to stop buying them from Shein and shit like that. So, anyway, you can make some really cute keychains. Make these little earth keychains. Super cute. Niche, I know, but still cute. If you're like an environmental science major and you met your boyfriend who's an environmental science major and now you both have cute little matching earth keychains, super cute. You can make little bear keychains like this one. You can also make this bear keychain where they have little like clown collars. That one's cute. You can make a crocheted plant. Very gender neutral. I love it, especially if your partner kills every plant they have. This is a perfect gift because it won't die. You can also make a star garland. Adorable. Always a hit. I've gifted this multiple times. Always a hit. You can make these cute little duck cowboys. You can have the pink hat and he can have the brown hat, and it's so cute and coupley and adorable. You can also make this fidget toy, extra large fidget toy, if either of you are neurodivergent. That's a slay. You can also make this little keychain like photo frame, adorable. Make one for you and your partner. You can also do this little sprout leaf if your partner's a gamer or just always have headphones on. That's really cute. And this one's fun, a yarn hammock. Always a good gift. Even if they don't have yarn to put in the hammock, they usually have stuffed animals or pillows or just like stuff to put in it. So perfect gift if you know your partner has stuff they could put in it. You can also make this Amish puzzle ball, again for the neurodivergent boys and girls and these and thems. You can also make a earbud cord organizer. Say your partner is like, oh my god, my earbuds are tangled again. Okay, perfect gift, make that. This one, very cute if you're quirky, but also cute if either of you are pre-med or looking to be pre-med or are doctors. Make a little anatomically correct heart keychain. Super cute. And then we've got this little keychain buddy for like hand sanitizer, a library card, whatever. Super cute, super functional. And that is all I have for you for our boyfriend-girlfriend gift ideas, okay? Friendly reminder, everything I said is listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I showed you. If you're looking for the picture, they're all on a cohesive Pinterest board, which is also linked down below because I love you. That is my gift to you as your favorite YouTuber, okay? Other than that, if there's a video you want me to do that I haven't done yet, please comment it down below. I read all your comments. Every single comment, I've read it. If I'm not replying, I'm still reading, okay? I read everything. And if there's an idea I haven't seen before, it goes on the list. So it is coming. Remind me if I haven't posted yours. Remind me of it. Just make sure it's on the list. But other than that, subscribe, okay? We have a fun series coming up. Preparing for a craft market, my first craft market. So if you want to be a part of that and you don't want to miss a video, subscribe. Hit the notification button so you don't miss it. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.